Welcome to Birmingham, Alabama, a city known for its vibrant growth and community spirit. In the midst of this bustling activity, SkyHook LLC stands out as a leader in roll-off dumpster rental in Birmingham, Alabama, offering unparalleled waste management solutions. Whether you're tackling a major construction project, renovating your dream home, or just clearing out clutter, SkyHook LLC has the perfect roll-off dumpster for your needs. Our diverse range caters to every scale, ensuring your project stays neat and well managed. What sets our dumpsters apart? It's their robust construction, capable of handling a variety of waste materials, combined with our commitment to delivering an unparalleled rental experience. We don't just offer dumpsters, we offer solutions tailored to your project's specific requirements. At SkyHook LLC, you're not just renting a dumpster, you're gaining a partner committed to your project's success. Our team is dedicated to providing personalized service, ensuring your rental process is smooth, efficient, and tailored to your schedule. As we serve you, we also serve our planet. Our environmentally conscious approach ensures that waste is managed responsibly, contributing to a greener Birmingham. We're more than just a business, we're part of the Birmingham community. From supporting local projects to participating in city events, we're here to make a positive impact. Join the multitude of satisfied customers and experience the SkyHook LLC difference. For your next project, choose the leader in roll-off dumpster rentals. Visit us at www.skyhookllc.com or call us at 205-637-7747. SkyHook LLC, elevating your waste management experience. SkyHook LLC, proudly serving Birmingham, lifting your waste management worries, and helping build a cleaner, more vibrant city for all.